Hi, I'm Chris, G4NAB. I'd like to introduce you to a new concept, perhaps not quite so new, but newly developed. The micro USB plug known as µusb card. And here is the µusb card. It's a board not much bigger than a £1 coin, to be honest, but is full of features, and as I explain it, it will be a very useful tool for the homebrewer and repeater keeper, or someone who wants to make their own node for any other softwares that I shall mention within the video. The µusb plug has been developed by Joanne Hagen, Foxtrot 8 Alpha Sierra Bravo F8 ASB, and this description can be found in French on his blog site blog.f8asb.com/UUSB-plug. What is it and what does it do? Well, basically it becomes an interface between a radio and the software which you want to use on a particular project, and this can be All-Star, SVX Link, Direwolf, FL Digi, and probably others as well. What does it contain? Well, it's got a CM119 sound card chip. It's a very useful device because amongst some of its components are GPIO ports. In this case there are 8 free GPIO ports. So this is what the software you might select or control. First of all, the software can be on any platform, Linux, Windows or whatever. The device can be connected with a standard USB port or by the micro USB port built into the board. But on the left hand side of this diagram you can see you can wire up a USB connector direct. On the right hand side are the connectors to a transceiver or transceivers, including a voltage supply, audio in, audio out, PTT, COS, the squelch that is, and a ground. On the bottom edge of the board you'll see there's 3 LEDs which are indicators of the status of the card, operation of the COS and of the PTT. For those of us who, like me, have been using SVX Link for some time, there's no requirement to interface it with the onboard GPIO bus now, as everything can be controlled via the USB port and the onboard sound card. It has a full description in French, but I'll just go over it for you in English. It's about 25 by 35 millimeters in size. There you have an indication how big it is with a euro coin, and this is its construction. It can be used in a repeater. This is a DRA repeater using 2 SA818 transceiver modules on a board where everything can be plugged in, so you don't have to hardwire it. You can actually attach connectors and then plug it in. To keep everything tidy, you can actually download a pattern for a 3D printer from Thingiverse and put the device in a box. On the website are the various configurations for SVX Link, Direwolf and FL Digi, and I believe that in All-Star the configuration is already set to use the CM108 card, which has been modified, such as the 119 on this board has. Cabling is very simple. You can attach a single transceiver or a pair of transceivers with an obvious requirement for a duplexer between the transmit and receive, so you can easily run a repeater with this card, and being so small takes up very little space. Most important is how can you get hold of one of these cards? Quite simple. On the page provided by Juan are the PayPal instructions for worldwide shipping costs. €40, which I don't think is too bad for this small package. Ready built, plug in and use as you require. This one here is my board and will become part of a repeater in due course. And if you, like me, like a tidy setup, then there are various clips and devices to which you can attach the various boards to keep them secure. The downloads are available through Juan's web pages. So if you want to know more, this is Juan's page. Have a good day. Bye for now.